Hello. Hello. You like the elephants? Today we're wearing, because we ran out of clothes, we're wearing something that's quite a bit too big. Hey? Quite a bit too big. Good thing we have some clean clothes now. So next time we can wear something that fits. Look how long it is. We're wearing these really cute socks. They're, woo! Hey? Say hello. Say good morning, everyone. Hey? Hello. Ooh. What was that? What was that? Look at that tongue go. Look at that tongue go. Are you looking for some food? Okie doke. Okie doke. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Stretch. Stretch. Oh. Now we're quiet. Huh? Oh, nope. Now we're moving again. Now we're moving again. Hey? Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. We're gonna go up now. Alright, say bye.